Hello everyone, in today's video, I'll explain how you can download or save View Once photos and videos from WhatsApp. If you've ever wondered whether it's possible to download these one-time images, the simple answer is not directly. WhatsApp has built-in security features that prevent saving, forwarding, or taking screenshots of View Once media. First, open your WhatsApp application. Go to the chat where you received the View Once photo or video. In the chat, you'll see the View Once media. Tap on it to open. A prompt will appear asking you to download the image or video, and the media will load so you can view it. After you close the image or video, you won't be able to open it again. If you try to view it later, you'll only see a blank screen. Because this is a View Once file, WhatsApp does not allow screenshots or screen recording. If you try, you'll see a message saying screenshots are disabled due to WhatsApp security. Now, here's an important workaround using chat backup. Go back to the main WhatsApp screen and tap the three dots in the top right corner. Open Settings. Then go to Chats. Scroll down and tap on Chat Backup. Set the backup option to Manual Backup only. Choose your Google account for backup storage. Tap on Backup to save your chats. This ensures your chat history is saved properly. Keep in mind that if a backup already exists, WhatsApp won't create a new one unless you manually update it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching.